See the magic? This is what we achieve at the end. Hello guys, this is Kevin Auto Insider here. So today I want to show you how we install these horns. Okay, these are very good horns, mostly used for trucks. In Kenya we call them pararila, and they are not much complicated in installing, but needs a technician. Okay, also you'll need some few knowledge if you want to do it DIY. So this the controller has 5 buttons. We also have this main controller that has 5 wires, as you can see. So this is made in Pakistan. This is the controller that we'll be using. This red wire, we are going to power it with main power. This 24 volts. This is the wire that is red. So at the end we'll be fixing with pressure, and this how it performs. See, so each button has its own sound. You can see it's very easy. So you just need to connect the power and also the pressure, and that's easy. Remember to always subscribe, follow for more updates. Kevin Auto Insider. Thank you.